the side and take a look at the set. If you take a look over to your left-hand side of the train, you have everything that we need to make a movie. We got the lights, we got the cameras. Help me out, what comes next? Lights, camera.
Action.
That was pretty cool. Oh, what did you guys do? Okay, those are the great comps, your seats, everything's gonna be fine. Oh no! Oh no! It's the big one! The second level, it's about to collapse! Look out! It's a tanker truck! Okay, we made it. This wasn't in my contract! Oh my God. What's that noise? It's the subway car! Look out! The water main just broke. Not good.